From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Dominic Bentley bringing you today's Friday morning forecast. Let's look at that sky cam up today. We got beautiful Beaver Stadium. It rained this morning, so we got a little smudges on the camera, but you can still have a beautiful view of the stadium and this cloud. These are some beautiful overcast clouds. I'm not seeing anything out there at all, but Nittany Mountain over there, looking beautiful today. So right now we have temperatures of 57, looking at the dew point of 55 degrees. We're getting a little close, a little too close to muggy for me. Visibility of 10 miles, that's why I'm seeing this beautiful mountain over here. And we're looking at wind speeds of about 15 miles per hour right now. So we have a record of 82 degrees, but thankfully we're not that hot. That's far too hot. We're only chilling at a nice 61 where the normal is 45. So we are above average for a low of 37 currently, which is quite above average. And we're thankfully not at that record low of 0 degrees. That is far too cold, especially for March, for my opinion. Now, if you want to see the great balls of fire, you're going to look at the sunrise, sunset about 7:20-ish, give or take for both of them. And looking at current conditions, we are about 50 across, mid to high 50s across the entirety of the states. Now, if you play Dennis Krulov's favorite game of Find That Front, working back front, we have it right here in that area. Off of, as you can see, the temperatures are starting to decrease from high 50s, and as the temperature and dew points, we can see we have pretty high dew points. Be quite muggy out for most people. We had a nice storm last night. That would be why it's as muggy as it is. And as we spread out to look at the entirety of the state, you can see it is still around the same, except for at least here in the southeast and continuing up in that northeast area. Franklin, hiding its dew point. What's its secrets? It doesn't want to tell us. Looking at the radar, we still have some precipitation coming up around this north area in New York. Not heading as much, kind of avoiding us, except for here in area, bringing in some rain to Franklin, Pittsburgh area, heading towards Williamsport. Looking at the entirety of the eastern part of the U.S., we see you have a nice storm down here in the southeast, right around Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee. They're bringing plenty of rain. If you live in the south, y'all, watch out. It's going to get a little bit rainy. All right, looking at future weather, that front is moving. We have dropped from the beautiful 50s, and it's just going to keep dropping down into 40s. 37 still in Erie, but you see State College is at a 48, 45 Johnstown. But hold on, it just keeps dropping. We are dropping down into the 30s. Nice and chilly morning. I don't want to be outside. I think that's a little too cold. Maybe not. But we will get right back up in those temperatures, bringing into close to the 50s or low 40s for most places. And it will continue to rise until we have this nice precipitating area coming in from the northwest area, bringing all that rain for us. So looking at the temperature outlook, as you can see, right around where that cold front comes through, we are going to be dropping down significantly, and once again, quite significantly, but we will start building back up come around Wednesday. Look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. If you live in the West Coast, it's going to be nice and warm. As if you live in the northern areas, a little bit more chillier. I'd say bring back out the coat. It was nice to have a shirt this past couple of days. Not going to be for long. Looking at for today is a nice 61, chance showers here and there, bringing about wind speeds 9 to 12, not too bad wind-wise. But for tonight, it's going to drop down to a chilly 37. But clouds, not to be really as seen. You can see a nice, beautiful sky tonight. And for tomorrow, we're going to be at a 57, one of the last few times we're going to be at that warm, with very few clouds. It'll be a pretty day outside. I enjoy it while it lasts. As for the 7-day temperature outlook, as you can see, Tuesday we're going to drop down and start with the gusty winds and start coming back up on Wednesday with those temperatures. Monday you can expect some mixed precipitation throughout the day. From the State Campus Weather Service, I'm Dominic Bentley. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.